Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending upon which part of the world you have joined in from. Thank you for joining me today to learn about ChatGPT. As many of you may have heard, chatbots, powered by artificial intelligence, or AI, have been making headlines recently, and ChatGPT is at the forefront of this trend. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model that has been trained on a massive amount of text data to generate human-like responses to text-based queries. It has been used in a wide range of applications, from customer service to language translation to educational assistance. As the use of chatbots continues to grow, it is becoming increasingly important for individuals and organizations to understand how they work and how to leverage their capabilities. That is why this training that we have created for you will be a valuable opportunity for you to learn about ChatGPT and how you can use it to improve your own work or business. So, let's get started. Let us start with the basics. It's important to make sure everyone has a clear understanding of what ChatGPT is, how it works, and what it can be used for. I will also explain the capabilities, as well as limitations of the model, and I will show you what it takes to use it effectively. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI and based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. It is designed to generate human-like responses to natural language prompts. And this feature makes it a powerful tool for a wide range of use cases, including customer service, language translation, content creation, and much more. The model is trained on a massive dataset of text from the internet. This allows it to learn the patterns and structures of language in a way that is similar to how humans learn. This training allows it to generate responses that are coherent, relevant, and often quite convincing. However, it's important to note that ChatGPT is not perfect. It can sometimes generate responses that may be inappropriate, that may be offensive, or simply nonsensical. This is why it's important to use the model responsibly. It's also important to have human oversight to ensure that the responses it generates are appropriate for the situation. When using ChatGPT, there are several important factors to consider. First, it's important to provide clear and concise prompts that are relevant to the task at hand. This can help to ensure that the model generates responses that are on topic and useful. Second, it's important to provide the model with high-quality data. This means using a diverse set of text from a variety of sources, as well as removing any text that may be biased, offensive, or otherwise inappropriate. Third, it's important to be aware of the limitations of the model. While ChatGPT is very good at generating text in a wide range of contexts, it is not always able to understand the nuances of human language or to generate responses that are perfectly suited to every situation. And finally, it's important to keep in mind the ethical considerations of using ChatGPT. This includes being transparent about the fact that responses are generated by a machine, as well as being mindful of issues such as bias, privacy, and security. And as some of you may not know what prompts are, here is a small explanation. Prompts are the starting points or initial messages that users provide to ChatGPT. These prompts can be in the form of a question, statement, or any other text input. ChatGPT uses these prompts as context to generate a response that is relevant to the input. The more detailed and specific the prompt, the better would be the response. By understanding these basics of ChatGPT, you can begin to explore how the model can be used effectively in your work or personal projects. Let me provide some examples of how ChatGPT can be used in different contexts. I will include some examples in the context of customer service, language translation, content creation, personal assistance, educational tools, and gaming. It can be used to provide automated customer service, answering common questions, and providing support in a conversational manner. For example, a chatbot built on ChatGPT could be used to help customers in troubleshooting technical issues or to answer questions about a product or service. It can be used to translate text from one language to another. By providing a prompt in one language and asking it to generate a response in another language. This way, one can quickly and easily translate text without the need for a human translator. ChatGPT can be used to generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. For example, you could provide a prompt for a blog post or article and ask it to generate the first draft. This can save a lot of time and effort, especially when writing about complex or technical topics. It can be used to build personal assistants that can help users with a wide range of tasks. These tasks could be such as scheduling appointments, setting reminders, and even providing recommendations for restaurants or local businesses. ChatGPT can be used to build educational tools that can help students learn in a more engaging and interactive way. For example, a chatbot built on ChatGPT could be used to provide personalized feedback on writing assignments or to answer questions about a particular topic. It can be used to create more engaging and interactive gaming experiences. For example, a chatbot built on ChatGPT could be used to provide dialogue and backstory for characters in a role-playing game, or to generate puzzles and challenges for players to solve. Thus, by understanding the many different contexts in which ChatGPT can be used, you can begin to explore how the model can be applied in your work or personal projects. The possibilities are virtually endless, and with a little creativity and ingenuity, you can use ChatGPT to achieve a wide range of goals. Understanding how ChatGPT works is essential. This will help us to use the model effectively. Here are some reasons why. Number 1. Once you understand how the model works, it will help you choose the right prompts. ChatGPT generates responses based on the prompts that you provide. By understanding how the model works, you can choose prompts that are more likely to generate the kind of response you're looking for. Number 2. The better understanding enables you to fine-tune the model. ChatGPT is a complex machine learning model with many parameters that can be adjusted. By understanding how the model works, you can fine-tune these parameters to optimize performance for your particular use case. Number 3. Once you understand how the model works, it will help you identify errors and biases. Like all machine learning models, ChatGPT is susceptible to errors and biases. By understanding how the model works, you can better identify these errors and biases and take steps to mitigate them. Number 4. The better understanding enables you to explain the model to others. If you're working with others who are less familiar with machine learning, it's important to be able to explain how ChatGPT works in a clear and concise manner. By understanding the model yourself, you'll be better equipped to do this. So you must be thinking, how does ChatGPT actually work? Let me come to that point now. In a nutshell, the model is trained on a large corpus of text data, and then uses this data to generate responses based on the prompts it receives. The model is based on a neural network architecture that enables it to learn patterns and relationships within the text data. When you provide a prompt to ChatGPT, the model uses this prompt as a starting point and generates a response based on the patterns that it has learned from the past training data. The response is generated one word at a time, with each word being generated based on the probabilities assigned to each possible word by the model. By understanding this process, you can begin to explore how ChatGPT can be used effectively in your work or personal projects. Whether you're using the model for customer service, content creation, or any other task, having a solid understanding of how it works is essential for achieving optimal results. You must be thinking as to what all ethical considerations should we keep in mind when using ChatGPT. To that point, following is something you should consider. Respect user privacy. Make sure that any data used to train or generate responses with ChatGPT is collected and stored ethically, and that users are aware of how their data is being used. Avoid generating offensive or discriminatory responses. ChatGPT has the potential to generate responses that are offensive or discriminatory. Therefore, we should take steps to ensure that responses are appropriate and respectful. Monitor for biases. AI models like ChatGPT can perpetuate biases if they're trained on biased data. Therefore, we should monitor for biases and take steps to address them if they arise. Be transparent. Be transparent about how ChatGPT works and how responses are generated. This can help build trust with users and demonstrate a commitment to ethical use of the model. Thus, by considering ethical implications when using ChatGPT, you can ensure that the model is used in a responsible and ethical way and avoid causing harm or perpetuating biases. This can help build trust with users and ensure that the model is used effectively and responsibly. Hope this overview serves as a starting point for you to make use of this disruptive AI tool in your favor. If you have queries, please do not hesitate to write or post those in the comments section. And last but not the least, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button now. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.